To create a scout entry for an individual field, select your field by tapping on the grower, farm, then field name. Alternatively, you could tap on the border for the field from the Maps tab. Then select Scout and select your journal entry template. A journal entry template is used to set up the form for the data that you plan to collect. This can be created in FieldX Office. In this case, I'll select corn irrigation check, which is set up with the data fields I need for an irrigated cornfield. The log tab has general information such as the date. You can also enter comments. Note this comments button to the left here has memorized comments, which you can either use to replace what's already in the comments or append to the end to save typing in the field. The sketch is where you can add a picture of what's going on in the field. You can draw things like your path you took through the field, points of interest, and other labels. Field conditions is where you'd enter environmental type data, such as temperatures, soil moisture readings, and similar items. Moving to crop observations, this is where you'd enter crop-specific info, such as the growth stage and any other data fields you've included. My template only included plant figure, and I'll enter a value here. From there, you can enter in crop injuries. In my template, I pre-filled a few crop injuries that I may have expected to approach in this type of field. Insects, similarly, I have a few added in ahead of time, and then when I observe them in the field, I just add the details. Same for diseases and weeds. I just fill in the details of the items I observe. If I need to add a different item that wasn't in my template, I tap the Add Item button and then select the common name from my pick list, select my units, and then select the values for that observed item. Note that any weeds, insect diseases, or crop injuries that do not have an observed value will not be displayed in the PDF output report. When finished, hit Done to the top right, and your journal entry will be saved.